International Transgender Day of Visibility, meaning the International Transgender Day of Visibility is a day dedicated to recognizing and supporting transgender and gender-variant individuals and communities. Celebration of the day is founded on the belief that transgender individuals and their lives and accomplishments should be recognized and appreciated despite the fact that they are typically less visible as a result of widespread transphobia. Transgender Pride Day is dedicated not only to displaying love and support for transgender individuals, but also to celebrating the history of transgender people and their achievements, as well as raising awareness about issues that impact them, such as the prejudice that they frequently experience. A range of activities are held to mark the occasion, including educational events and efforts to make venues, such as schools and workplaces, more welcoming to transgender persons. Some transgender people use the International Transgender Day of Visibility as an opportunity to come out publicly as transgender, for the first time on this day in particular. The International Transgender Day of Visibility, also known as TDOV or ITDOV, is celebrated annually on March 31st. It should not be confused with the International Transgender Day of Remembrance, which is observed annually on November 20th and is dedicated to commemorating transgender people who have died as a result of anti-transgender violence or other acts of violence.